Hello, Fantasticos. I'm sitting in my backyard working on Khan Academy. I've heard from several of you that you had some questions about using the course challenge to help you master 4th grade math, which is your summer math homework assignment. So I thought I could maybe give you a little bit of help. Here I have a course challenge screen that shows that I've scored 87% on the course challenge. And it also shows me here on the right some skill level changes. Now, some things don't appear because it wasn't really in there at all. But for some of them, like comparing with multiplication, I stayed the same, and for some of them I went up. Now I can close that down and see how I'm doing at mastering the entire of 4th grade math. As I wait for it to pop up here, I can see a whole bunch of different things. I'm going to go way up to the top of the page. I'm here in my mastery points. This is in the place value version. Here's the whole thing there. And I'm looking to master all of these. So all of these bars would go over completely to the right-hand side. Now it will tell me what's up next, and I can just click continue. And when I go into this area, there's a couple of things I can do. I can practice. Now, if I'm looking at this and I'm thinking intro to place value, it's been a long time since I did that. I don't want to practice right away. I want to learn about it. I can click on any of these in the learn section, and that will bring
What number
up
is shown by the place value?
A video that I can watch to get some help. If I think, hey, I kind of remember this, but maybe I need some practice, then I can go right over here to the practice section and practice. If I'm thinking intro to place value, I've totally got this. I can scroll on down and just take the quiz. But maybe I think place value, that's easy. I know this totally. I might want to scan through some things, writing whole numbers in expanded form. Let's see. Yeah, I remember that. I remember whole numbers in written form. I remember regrouping whole numbers. There's quiz 2. To see how 10 relates. I could keep on going down, and I could take the unit test, which will let me level up on all the skills in this unit. Now, if I take the unit test and I don't do so well, then I can go back through and try each of the individual skills or go back to the quizzes. And I can always take the unit test again. So your ultimate goal is to master all of 4th grade. And you can tell where you are in here by seeing if your bars are going all the way over to the right-hand side. Please don't try to do this by doing every single activity. There are way too many here. Just go through and use the quizzes to really help yourself, and the tests, to really help yourself move through as fast as you can. If you find an area that you don't know how to answer on the test, that's when you should go back and use the videos to learn or the practice problems to practice. But try the tests first, since I know that you did this 2 years ago. You might need a little bit of a review. When you've finished all of these sections, then you will have finished all of the course. And if you're a little bit back from 100% mastery, that's fine. The point of this is to help review some things that we're going to go into right away in the school year, so you can start off feeling good and strong about it. Please note that it also tells me where I am. Currently, I'm at 39% towards mastery. I'm at level 2. You can always check that here. Now, if you've forgotten how to get here, let me just do a quick thing. When you get into your Khan Academy, no matter where you are, here's what mine looks like. It's a little different because I'm in teacher mode. You can go up to courses in the upper left corner and click on anything you're needing to click on. Then you can head right into here. Remember, even if you've totally finished 4th grade, you don't need to feel like you have to go on to 5th grade. 4th grade is plenty for the summer. Get outside, climb a tree or two, and enjoy yourself. I'm looking forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks, so have a great last couple of weeks of summer, Fantasticos.